Hello. How's your stay?
No comment, I'm eating.
Hello, Mama. How do you find Hong Kong?
Very amazing views inside.
Wow.
Especially this very sweet.
Hi. So you love that apple?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Very much.
Sige ng floor ba ito? Okay. 3-0?
How about you, Papa? How is Hong Kong naman?
Okay, maraming in-check.
Wow.
Hindi marunong mag-Ingles.
Wow.
Bahala ko sila eh. Nagkandaligaw-ligaw.
Yeah.
So, Idin.
And Aideen, how are you?
This is especially our bedroom.
Amaya si Idin dito.
Hindi ba ka-interview?
Okay, mamaya. Okay, so you are the mayordoma here, ate? So here is the room of our beloved Mama and Papa.
With gold inside.
Oh, that's
You
nice.
can imagine how many dollars.
Yes. And how about the washroom? Wow. So here is the washroom or the bathroom. Hi. Here is the bedroom, the suite room. So I have to go outside to check another room. This is the room of Ate and Ina. Wow. Hi.
Hello, ate ko mo, short.
Later. This is the dining table. Hi.
Ang ganda ng room nila, di ba? Parang sila ang nag-Dubai.
Yes. Wow, si Papa busy nag city view. So we have to check kung ano yung
Sa
view.
mga basura nila, hinihili lang dahil sa Pilipinas.
Where? So this is the city
Hila-hila,
view of Papa and Mama's room.
Maliit pa hila-hila dalawa na eh. Hotel din pala ito eh, no?
Hotel.
Hotel na may na klase.
Yes. I'm zooming.
Ano, dito lang tayo? Hindi ka ba matayo? Punta tayo dun sa Avenue Star, may libre shotgun naman. I know! And it was price! Merry Christmas!
Taxi rito, oh. No? Wala taxi, ano, no?
Yes.
Wala sa gray.
Chine-check ni Papa at kung ano yung nasa labas. Oh, Aideen! Ano naman sabihin mo kay Ninang? Ha?
This is my pre-Christmas gift to the family.
Yes.
And with 18, kaya dapat hindi na siya manghingi sa akin ng pamasko.
For 3 years.
And Ina?
Success!
Anong gusto mo? Message naman dyan. Okay ba yung... Oh, wag ka mahiya. Ano yung Hong Kong? How's the flight?
Okay lang po.
Wow, kinabahan ka ba sa flight mo?
Naman ako na po.
Wow.
paupos lang.
Si Mama.
Ayan ako chocolate. Yun ang cellphone.
Ma-
May bakit money ka ba, baby? 36 pesos.
Ate Nisa, ate Nisa, ito ha?
Oy, oy.
Sederan po cellphone.
Walang games yan.
Ay,
Wow. Si ate, busy for cleaning the...
hindi nyo nakikita yung iPhone ko.
Joy.
So, here is the pool. Yeah.
Ako na lang sa Apple. Touchscreen ba to?
Wait, wait.
Mhm. So, ate is...
Always cleaning.
Yes. Here is the stove. The...
Buksan mo rin natin sa loob. Sa loob.
And the minibar. Okay. Here is the minibar. And we have to check what is inside. Water lang. Oh, say hi naman.
Yan, nalika ka. Ni hao ma.
Mabuhay Hong Kong.
Ni hao ma.
Ano? Oh. Okay, mabuhay Hong Kong.
Because I don't know what I have nothing to use when I go.
Ang galing oh. Showtime.
Anong showtime? Ano yan?
America's Showtime.
Oh, ayan na, last na. I have to close na. Papunta ka doon. Oh. Hi.
Ni hao ma.
Ma'am. Oh, isang ano dyan, mabuhay naman.
Ate Cheche.
Oh, video to, hindi to camera. Okay, bye-bye.